Let's try the patties from Juicy's in Jamaica. The veggie one, I give it like a 7.5 out of 10. It's good, it's tasty, but it's not like, damn, I want to fuck that up. This one is the cheese, which I'm confused about because it looks like brown. It looks like meat. But let me say, I think this one's my favorite. I definitely give it a 9 out of 10. I got the, you can't even read that. I'm showing you the back like you can read the beef. Eight and a half out of 10. Lastly is gonna be the chicken. Tastes like curry chicken, have such good flavor, and is delicious. So I also give that one a 9 out of 10. The other one I got is the shrimp, but I'm picky with my seafood and it's super, super fishy and I can't fuck with it. So I give that one like a 2 out of 10 and I am not going to take a bite of it just because I don't want to taste it again. But if you like shrimp, it's probably really good. But Juicy's was delicious and the food in Jamaica has been